China recently imposed some trade restrictions against Taipei amid tensions over U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's visit to Taiwan. But Beijing's apparently retaliatory measures stop short of targeting semiconductors, Taiwan's most valuable export, highlighting the island state's critical geopolitical importance and dominance over the chip manufacturing industry. Following the civil war between China's nationalists and communists, the two sides split in 1949 and Taiwan became a self-governing island. They have no official diplomatic relations, yet they now share multi-billion-dollar business ties, with bilateral trade between China and Taiwan standing at $328.3 billion in 2021. The Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Corp produces half of the world's processor chips and has unmatched technology to produce the most advanced processors. Semiconductors, also known as computer chips or just chips, are integral to all network devices and are used in the automobile, aerospace, consumer electronics, appliance, and video game industries. They also have advanced military applications. A global chip shortage resulting from COVID-19 pandemic restrictions and other supply line disruptions has been adversely affecting industries that rely on semiconductors. Chips are China's biggest import, amounting to more than $400 billion a year, ahead of crude oil. Beijing has invested billions of dollars in developing its own industry, which supplies low-end chips for automobiles and appliances. But unlike South Korea and Taiwan, China's chip manufacturing capabilities cannot support the latest cutting-edge smartphones, tablet computers, medical devices, and other advanced products. The concentration of chip making in the Asia-Pacific region has also fueled concerns in the US and Europe about relying too heavily on supplies from East Asia. Several governments have in recent years been making efforts to ramp up their own chip production capabilities in order to break from their external dependence. The US recognizes Beijing as the sole legal government of China and has no formal relations with Taiwan. But Washington still maintains unofficial ties with Taipei and is obligated by federal law to see that the island has the means to defend itself. Overall, the US is Taiwan's second largest foreign market behind China, which imports more than twice as much of the island's exports compared to Washington.